Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi you guys, welcome back to our kitchen. We have a great side dish for you today.
Oh, do we ever. It is called roasted corn and tomato salad.
So this was our neighbor Tom's recipe. We have the best neighbors, I have to say, we really do.
Absolutely.
Scott across the street, and then Tom and Lisa. Scott is like the grill master.
Yeah, he's amazing on the grill, like ribs or chicken, anything.
Anything, and his whole family comes over and they're all like really great cooks, his mom and his sister. And then Tom is like the cook, and this is one of his recipes. The Italian wedding soup recipe was his.
He's always the one with like fresh herbs to give us, and like he brought over peppermint the other day.
Wait, where is it? So Tom just shows up at our door with this. It's mint from his backyard, because he was growing his own mint. So we have the best neighbors, and we do multiple house barbecues in the summer. It started out as like a 4th of July thing. We would all walk over to Scott's yard. He's kind of the middle.
It never makes sense, okay? Thanks for letting me know. They're candles, but they're not candles.
We would just eat and hang out. He'd set up a big table, and everyone would bring a ton of food. We sort of bring desserts.
Yeah, we take care of desserts and drinks, I think,
Drinks,
sometimes.
we bring wine, we bring desserts, we bring a side dish. But anyway, let's get to our recipe.
Yes, okay, so here are the ingredients you'll need for the roasted corn and tomato salad. 6 ears corn roasted. 2 cups red and orange grape tomatoes halved. 8 ounces fresh mozzarella halved. 3 green onions chopped. 3 tablespoons white wine vinegar. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 cup basil leaves chopped.
All right, so there's a lot of different ways you can do your corn. You can boil it.
Yep, or you can roast it or grill it. And we roasted ours because we really like the flavor of the roasted corn.
Very good. But Josh says on this one, you guys, you can't use canned corn.
No, really avoid canned corn if you can. Fresh corn just makes this recipe taste so much better.
It does, and it's such a big part of the recipe, so no shortcut on this one, guys.
It's still very easy. All you need to do is line a baking sheet with aluminum foil, put your ears of corn on the aluminum foil, and lightly brush it with olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper on top, and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. And then you want to turn it about halfway through. Then when the corn comes out of the oven, then you just take a really sharp knife and shear off the kernels onto a plate, and then you can put it in a bowl to set aside for our salad. So the first thing we'll do is make the dressing. Put the white wine vinegar, salt and pepper, whisk this together really well. Slowly add the olive oil.
You doing it?
You're doing a great job.
Why are you laughing?
I'm not.
Why are you laughing?
You've just gotten so much better. It like warms my heart.
You are totally full of it.
I feel like the first Baking with Josh and Ange, we've been a mess all over the place. And
We could go back in time and find those early videos.
Ooh, hot. No, it's hot. Ooh.
Oh,
I just broke it. I just broke it.
Oh, Lord.
Come off.
Okay.
Wait, I want to try to get it. You gave me a lazy Susan.
I know. Oh my Lord.
They're out there. How's that look?
That looks great.
Okay.
See,
Now what?
if you add the olive oil too much at once, it forms little like globules, like little olive oil globules, you know?
Is globules a word?
Yeah.
Can we Google globules?
But if you mix it, you know, a little bit at a time, then it comes out a lot smoother. Just saying. Now it's time to make the salad. Again, this salad is so easy. Once you do the corn and the dressing, it comes together so quick.
And it was so yummy at our barbecue. It like paired so good with different types of meat.
Everyone loves this salad. Like, get ready to share this recipe with your friends.
Get
honestly.
ready.
Get ready.
You can thank Tom, our neighbor.
All right, so first we'll pour the corn in, then we'll do the tomatoes and the mozzarella cheese. And lastly, we'll do the green onions. You can save the basil to put on for last so it doesn't get like wilty and save some of the flavor.
These are tips, people. Tips.
All right,
Okay?
so you want to pour the dressing on?
I do.
Yeah.
Do I? It smells so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
All right, that's
Okay.
it. So now just go ahead and mix that together.
Okay. I wanted to lick my finger some more. This is so good, and we can have it for lunch today.
Yep.
We do make, you know, the stuff we like to eat, so either we're eating it or our kids are eating it, so it's kind of a win-win for us.
You want to keep it in the fridge for about a half hour before you serve it. It's best served cold.
It gets nice and chilled, and all the dressing kind of sets in. It's really yummy.
So now that that's all mixed together, we're just going to sprinkle the basil on top. that. Lightly mix this together.
Lightly incorporate it.
Yeah. And then when you're ready to serve it, you can sprinkle a little bit more of the basil on top for show if you want to.
Because this one likes to show, people.
Yeah.
He's all about that final pop.
So we're gonna cover this and put it in the fridge for a half hour, and then we'll try a little.
We'll try a little.
All right, salad's ready, so we're gonna give it a try.
It's so good, you guys. I feel like every week I just take bites of stuff and say it's so good.
It's so good.
But it really is good.
It is good.
You know what I like about this too is how light it feels. Like, it doesn't have a heavy dressing.
And you can really taste all the different flavors in it, which is nice.
I think because it's cold too, it's kind of refreshing.
It's a great summer side for sure.
It's a great summer side dish.
Summer side dish.
That is so good.
So for the roasted corn and tomato salad recipe, go to our website, bakingwithjoshandange.com.
Oh, and you guys, we have merchandise now.
We do.
We do. We have these coffee mugs, and we're going to be getting more stuff on there too, because you know I love a coffee mug.
Yeah, so check it out, because we're going to have lots of cool stuff on our shop soon. If you want it. I mean, you don't have to.
You don't have to. No pressure, no pressure. But all the recipes are there,
Yeah.
and you can print them out. It's super handy.
All right, guys, bye.
Bye, thanks for stopping by.
Okay, guys, it's time to announce the winner for our giveaway.
Yahoo! So remember, we asked you to subscribe, leave a comment, tell us about yourself and what one of your favorite recipes of ours was.
Yeah.
And so many of you guys did that. It was amazing.
We had a really hard time choosing, so we went ahead and picked our favorites and put them into the fishbowl.
All right, because we couldn't agree. So this way it's fair. One of us is gonna draw. Are you gonna draw?
I'm not gonna draw.
You're not drawing?
Too much pressure. You draw.
And before we do that, we do want to thank everyone that contributed items. Vineyard Vines, Josh Sellers Wines.
Yep. Josh Hescott, who gave us the amazing cutting board.
Austin Tie-Dye Company for the blanket.
Yeah.
The waffle maker, the Invisible
The
Chef
chef,
for all
yes.
the mixes. Are we forgetting something?
Yeah, our Baking with Josh and Ange coffee mug.
There you go.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. It's going to be a lot of stuff. In fact, I think we're going to have to ship it in 2 boxes.
Maybe 3.
Okay, ready? Here we
All right.
go.
Here, I'll shake it.
Okay, you shake.
All right. Okay, who's it gonna
Audrey Wright.
be? Audrey Wright.
Audrey Wright.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh.
We'll need your address. I hope that's okay.
And we're gonna put it all over our next YouTube video.
No, we're not, Audrey. Thank you, Audrey, so much for watching our videos and making our recipes and telling us about yourself.
Yes, and thank you to everyone for subscribing. We'll be doing another giveaway in the fall.
Yes, we will. Thank you. Yay, Audrey.
All right, bye guys.